Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our respected lecturer for subject ENT 530, Dr. Azila binti Jaini. So today, me, Siti Aisyah Saleh and my fellow group mates are going to present our business model canvas, which is for this assignment, we have created a partnership company on cleaning service business that called Meticulous Mates Cleaning Service. For this presentation, there are 6 sections and I will start first with giving some overview about our company. Then my group mates will explain in more details about the other 5 sections. Firstly, for your information, Meticulous Mates Cleaning Service is a partnership company that owned by 5 good friends, which is Amirul Hakim as a managing director, Nurul Adila as a head department in business development, me myself Siti Aisyah as a head department of human resources, Nurhani Alisha as a head department of account and finance, and lastly is Nurul Izzati Shazwani as a head department in business strategy. Okay, next I will move to the background of the company. To be informed, we are running a cleaning service business that is based in Johor Bahru, Johor. The origin of the idea is to build this cleaning business was when we are in the first year of degree, which is in 2019. At that time, we found out that most of the members in the group love to clean so much. Then, to be made into a story, there is a one day when we were sharing on what is the worst thing that we have done due to our cleaning habit, and during that time, one of the members has been joking around about the stories and said that 5 of us should start a business of cleaning service as we love to clean so much. Then from that, we think it is such a good idea as why not we generate income from doing something that we are love to. Due from that, here it is from our cleaning service business, Meticulous Mates Service since 2020. The mission of our company is to give the customers with cleaning service in environment-friendly, ethically and professional manner. As for the vision of the company, we believe that everyone has the right to live and work in a clean, safe and enjoyable environment. And we also believe it is important to look after people.
Next, the problem that relate to our target market is people who did not have time to clean their house because of their work. They are working for long hours at an office or on their feet. They may not have the energy to clean when they get home. Once hiring a housekeeper or cleaning service will guarantee that they come home with a clean house and can use their free time to relax and rest. For example, some people have hectic 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. job schedule that leaves them with little spare time. And when they go home from work, those who have families, have children to look after, they must feed, wash and guide their children through assignment or homework, among other things. They may have little or no time to clean due to their hectic lifestyle. Other than that, the problem is people not satisfied when they clean their house. They feel like they have spent hours clean enough. The customer or the people may believe that everyday house cleaning is hardship to them. Some customer may be willing to pay to have their house cleaned by a cleaning service. They also believe that by hiring a cleaning service, the staff will adhere to strict cleaning protocols. Furthermore, the problem may be when customer have an office building that needs to be kept clean. The customer quickly realize just how much work goes into this. It's an ongoing effort that have to maintain a clean and healthy working environment at all times, especially if have a lot of employees sharing an office. But it's not an impossible task, especially if the customer consider hiring a professional office cleaning company to maintain the office. That is the problem that we can come out in our business.
Now I would like to tell about my topic, which is description how our product provide a solution. For the person who are busy with work, our service can help them. This is because by hiring our cleaning service, we can take care of all the cleaning their house. This will make people who are busy with work have an easier life. Next, our product also can solve the problem of office building that need to clean every day. This is because hiring expert cleaners also can guarantee that the office work be smoothly and also make the workers have a better and conducive workplace. The person who not like to clean also not be worried because our product can help them. This is because all the cleaning process are doing by our professional cleaners.
Assalamualaikum to Dr. Azila and my fellow classmates. My name is Norhani Elisha binti Zainal from JBA 242-4B. Today, I will present on the market plan and expected revenue for Meticulous Mates cleaning services. Firstly, we will look on the market plan. Market plan comprises of 4 P's, which are product or services, price, place, and people. Our services are cleaning services, disinfection, and sanitation. Next, our services price start from RM70 for home cleaning. For moving and move out and post-renovation cleaning, we charge RM300, and for disinfection and sanitation, we charge RM120. For place, we are based in Johor Bahru. Lastly, the people or our target markets are working people, family, corporate, and new tenants. Next, our expected revenues are 70% come from home cleaning services, 50% come from service add-ons, and 50% from referral. Our expected revenues 70% come from cleaning services, as nowadays people are occupied with their office work and have no time for cleaning their home. Therefore, we take this opportunity by offering cleaning services from morning to evening to fill the customer wants. Next, 50% revenues from services add-ons can be achieved by offering full range of services or offering new upcoming services to our customer. As now, during pandemic, we offer sanitizing and disinfecting to upsell. Lastly, we expect 15% of our revenue come from referral. This can be achieved by ensuring we provide excellent service to our clients, because good service can make our client become our source of referral.
For the conclusion, we hope our business will survive, grow more, develop. There may be branches throughout Malaysia in the future. Furthermore, maybe we will develop our customer segmentation, whereas our business can have contract with schools, city council, and hotels around Malaysia to get our cleaning service. We employ a staff of expert housekeeper that complete an in-depth online training course covering the products and service we offer to ensure that every Meticulous Mate customers feel secure knowing that their homes are cleaned with excellence and integrity during every visit. This way is to avoid our company lose because of the careless of employees if we do not screen employees. Lastly, we hope our customer will be satisfied and like with Meticulous Mate cleaning service, and also the main cleaning service company not only in Johor Bahru but also in Malaysia. That's all from our us. Thank you.